Hi friends, today I am Shitansh Kumar Mishra and we are going to understand about few abbreviations like barcode reader, OCR, OMR, MICR and etc. Barcode readers or barcode scanners are electronic devices which are able to scan or decode barcodes. These devices use optical technology such as infrared light. Some readers use an integrated decoder. Others have one unit for reading the barcode and another one to decode the barcode. MICR. MICR is also known as magnetic ink character recognition. The MICR is a device that can recognize human readable characters printed on documents such as checks using a special magnetic ink. The reader reads these characters by explaining their shapes. Characters are printed in a special font. Each character is formed by a 7 into 10 matrix. The MICR has a magnetic head which can detect the magnetic pattern from each character. The abbreviation MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. This is a type of data input often found in banks. The bank account's number and other details are printed onto bank checks, also known as USA checks, in a special font with magnetic ink. The magnetic characters can be read very quickly and accurately by MICR reader. OCR is also known as optical character reader, is a mechanical or electronic conversion of images of typed, handwritten or printed text into machine encoded text, whether from a scanned document, a photo of a document, a scene of a document. For example, the text on signs and billboards in a landscape photo, or from subtitle text superimposed on an image. For example, from a television broadcast, it is widely used as a form of information entry from printed paper data records. Whether as passport documents, invoices, bank of statements, computerized receipts, business cards, mail, printouts of static data, or any suitable documentation. It is a common method of digitizing printed text so that they can be electronically edited, searched, stored more compactly, displayed online, and used in machine processes such as cognitive computing, machine translation, extracted text to speech, key data and text mining. OCR is a field of research in pattern recognition, artificial intelligence and computer vision. Early versions needed to be trained with images of each character and worked on one font at a time. Advanced systems capable of producing a high degree of conversion accuracy for most fonts are now common, and with support for a variety of digital image file from inputs. Some systems are capable of reproducing formatted output that closely approximates the original page, including images, columns, and other non-textual components. OMR, Optical Mark Recognition. Optical mark recognition is also called optical mark reading and OMR is the process of capturing human marked data from document forms such as surveys and tests. They are used to read questionnaires, multiple choice examination papers in form of lines or shade areas. Card reader. A magnetic stripe card is a type of card capable of storing data by modifying the magnetism of tiny iron-based magnet particles on a band of magnet particles on the card. The magnet stripe, sometimes called swipe card or mag stripe, is read by swiping past a magnetic reading head. Magnetic stripe cards are commonly used in credit cards, identity cards, and transportation tickets. They may also contain an RFID tag, a transponder device, and or a microchip mostly used for business premises access control or electronic payment. Magnetic recording on steel tape and wire was invented in Denmark around 90s for recording audio. In 1950s, magnet recording of digital computer data on plastic tape coated with iron oxide was invented. In 1960, IBM used the magnetic tape idea to develop a reliable way of securing magnetic stripes to plastic cards. Under a contract with the US government for a security system, a number of international organizations for standardization standards ISO, IES 7810 and IUS, IEC 7811 and ISO, IEC 7812 and ISO, IEC 7813 and iOS 8583 and ISO, IES 4909 now define the physical properties of the card, including size, flexibility, location of the mag stripe, magnetic characteristics, and data formats. They also provide the standard for financial cards, including the allocation of card number ranges to different card issuing institutions. Smart card readers. A card reader is a data input device that reads data for a card-shaped storage medium. The first were punched card readers, which read the paper or cardboard punched cards that were used during the first several decades of computer industry to store information and programs for a computer system. Modern card readers are electric devices that can read plastic card embedded with their a barcode, magnetic strip, computer chip, or another storage medium. A memory card reader is a device for communication with a smart card or a memory card. Thank you for watching.